Good morning. Now we have to solve a variable load problem. The annual peak of load in a 15 megawatts power plant is 10.5 megawatts. The substation are supplied by this plant annual energy dispatch through sub. It is 27,500,000 kilowatt hour with a peak at 8,900 kilowatt, while 16,500,000 kilowatt hour are sent to sub peak with a peak at 6,650 kilowatt neglect loss required. A. Diversity factor between substation. B. Capacity factor of the power plant. First, we have to solve A. Diversity factor. We have a formula of diversity factor equals sum of individual max over max demand of both substations. First, we need to solve the sum of individual. We need to add 8.9 megawatts plus 6.65 megawatts equals 15.5 megawatts. Coincidentally peak, we have a given of 10.5 megawatts na coincidentally peak. Okay. Now we have to solve the density factor. 15.5 megawatts over 10.5 megawatts equals 1.481. Next, we have to solve the capacity factor. We have a formula of total annual energy generated over plant capacity times 760 hours. First, we need to add 27,500,000 plus 60,500,000 over 15,000 times 8,760 hours equals 0.3347 or 33.47%. That's all.